Yo, what up everyone? Today we are in city called Gornji Vakuf. I know it's a little bit difficult to pronounce it for you guys, but we came to a water slab that's called, even difficult for me to pronounce it, Zdrimacki Vodopad. It's a Zdrimacki water slab. It's very beautiful. You can't see it from here, maybe yes, maybe no. But we're gonna head towards the cliff over there, and I'll do some amazing footages. It was a little bit rough terrain to come with two-wheel drive, so I had to park somewhere in the middle of the road and we took a long walk. But trust me, it's very much worth it. So now let's head out there and see what is it.